Hi everyone, my name is Desi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make lip gloss and lip oil. Alright, let's get started on our gloss. We're going to need a cup for this one with measurements on the side to make it a little bit easier. So for the other one that was a lip oil, we only used 10 milliliters of gloss to the oil. So gloss base for the oil. So for this one, we're going to be using, I'd say about 30 to 40 milliliters for 2 glosses. And then we're just gonna be adding in less oil this time because remember this isn't a lip oil, but it is a lip gloss. So we're gonna be taking that carrier oil again and just adding in a few dropperfuls. I'll count them out for you. That's 1 milliliter, 2, and 3. So 3 milliliters of carrier oil to about 30 milliliters of gloss base. Now we're going to be adding in our flavorings and we're going to be mixing some flavors today. This is a really fun combination that I love to use, and it's oil-based peach and oil-based matcha flavoring. Take in about, I'd say, a milliliter or so, a little less, of the matcha flavoring. And for the peach, this one's pretty strong, so I'm only gonna be adding maybe 6 drops. Then we're going to be adding in our pigment. For this one, I've chosen a really pretty gold and orange pigment, about that much. And then we can get to mixing. Now you can go the traditional route and use something like a stir stick, or maybe even this cool spatula spoon combo. But I found a really cool thing online, and it's this like resin mixer. So it will work really good for gloss base because it's thick and you don't really have to mix much by hand. Okay, so the resin mixer was doing well in the beginning, but now I look and I think that we need to start mixing this a little bit more by hand. I am gonna add a little bit more, a few more drops of the carrier oil because this consistency is not really what we're looking for when it comes to a gloss. In my opinion, it just rips, it kind of tears apart from itself, if you could see that. I don't know. So it's just not really ideal, and that's why we're just gonna add a few more drops of oil. Maybe like 10 to 15, depending on, again, how thin or thick you like your lip product to be. The best part about using, gloss base and flavorings and stuff is you just get to totally create and customize your own, and you really get to have a preference and say when it comes to these products that you're putting on your skin. Okay, so this consistency is looking a lot better to me, I think. Can you see that? I'm just gonna scrape down the sides. But yeah, this consistency to me, it holds its shape. It kind of is a lot thicker. Somehow the oil thickens. You just see we have it like that. Now I'm gonna prep my tube, the gloss tube. I'm gonna just put a few of these sprinkles. I chose some really fun stars that are green because remember this is a matcha green tea and peach flavored gloss. These are super cute. So I'm gonna add a bunch of these stars. Now with the gloss, the little add-ins won't float around as much because the gloss is thicker than the oil. But what I like to do is just kind of try to shake it to get them on the wall of the tube, and then just start piping my gloss in from there and then hope they stick. We just have disposable syringe here. Plastic. There's a cap on it, don't forget to take that off. And just pull back your syringe, make sure there's no dirt or air, and go ahead and start filling up your syringe with the gloss. Some funny sounds will come out of this. So I'm gonna just start to fill my tube. I was able to get away without using a pipette. So let's start to fill slowly. That way you don't, you know, over flood the tube. And that's it. Now we'll just grab a stopper, seal off this gloss syringe. As you can see, you could probably do another tube. That made enough for two, same as the lip oil. And then, and then we're just gonna grab a stopper for this. Okay, now you're just gonna take your stopper and stick it in. That's not it. It like went away too easily. It's one of these guys. Back to the stopper. Let's put the stopper in. And then you're just gonna stick your applicator in. And boom, that's it. Super cute and yummy matcha peach lip gloss. Thanks so much guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we hope to see you guys again soon on the next video. Bye.